Barn solar light to review, and I was gonna put it over on my hay shed. Here it is right here, but I think it looks so good I'm actually gonna put it on my house because it is a solar light. Comes with this bulb too, which is cool. And it's a solar bulb, so this will all get charged up. Has a little battery in there. You can see the three solar panels right here, so they're getting direction, you know, sun from all different directions, which is great. Here's the nice finish on it. It's in this black. Underneath it has a little on-off toggle, so it's not motion sensor, I don't think, and it has this spot right here, and it comes with all the screws, and it's easier to mount because it has this little wing nut, and you just thread this piece together. Super easy to put on, and then all you have to do to mount it is put up this bracket, screw it into your surface. It also comes with anchor screws if you need, or you can just screw it right into wood like I'm going to be. Just put this light piece up, slip this piece on, it's all good to go. This nice under finish as well looks good if you're looking up for it, you know, nice kind of copperish gold kind of look. So let's go get it installed, and then I'm going to check. So here is the light at night. It's a very light light. It's not very bright, which is nice. That's why it'd be nice, you know, just as an accent light, just illuminating this front door just a little bit. Really like it, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.